Good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the permutations. Okay, in that class, how to arrangement is going on in that chapter. Already discussed it. Repetition allowed, repetition is not allowed of the things or objects. Now today you are going to in that topic. Another topic is combinations. What is the difference between the permutations and combinations? What is the relation between the permutation and combinations? Okay, how to do the problems in the combinations. First, you remember what is the difference between the permutation and combination. Permutation is the arrangement of the objects. Before clearly I to explain, permutation means arrangement of the objects, my dear students. Arrangement of the objects. Okay, once I will explain once again. For suppose you will take the set, per suppose set S is equal, the set have 4 elements, per suppose this set have 4 elements. Okay, now in this one we will take the 3 elements. Per suppose set has 3 elements. Now we select the 3 elements and arrangement, selection and arrangement, that is called permutation. Okay, we will take the 3 at a time. 3 at a time means what are the arrangements? For suppose A, B, C. 3 persons, Ramu, Raju and Mohan. We select and arrange. This is one way. Next, what is going on? A, C, B. This is second way. B, C, A. This is third way. B, A, C is fourth way. Okay, my dear students. Now C, A, B, C, B, A. These are the, you select the 3 members, no problem at all. You select the 3 members. Those 3 members we will arrange. Arrangement is going on in this way. Observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways arrangement. Now, per suppose in the class 3 persons are there. 3 persons are there. Only we will select the 3 members. Only we will select the 3 members means either Raju, Ramu, Mohan. Raju, Ramu, Mohan. In this also same persons, in this also same persons, in this also same persons, in this, those 3 members are there. Now selection means only this one, A, B, C. A, B, C. How many selections are possible? Only one selection is possible. All are same selections. Only we select the 3 persons. Those 3 persons in every arrangement is there. This arrangement, same persons or not? Yes. Same persons, same persons, same persons. Means permutation. Whenever the set have the 3 elements, we arrange the all elements in 6 ways. Selection and arrangement. But here only selection is one way. Difference, observe that. For suppose in this one we will take 2. What happened? Take 2 at a time. AB, BA, BC, CB. Next AC, CA. What are the arrangements? Selection means only 2 elements we will select and arrange. AB, BA, those 2 are the different arrangements. BC, CB, those 2 are the different arrangements. AC, CA, those 2 are the different arrangements. What about the selection? These 2 are the same. You select A and B or B and A. Raju, Ramu or Ramu, Raju, whatever may be. 2 persons you select means, for suppose Raju, Ramu. Yes, again Raju, Ramu is there. Means selection means this is one selection. Now BC, CB both are same. That is B comma C. This is selection. No arrangement. This is A comma C or C comma A. What is the combination? Combination is only a selection. Permutation means selection and arrangement. Selection of the objects and arrangement is called permutation. Before we completed that one. Now what it means? Combination means only selection, not arrange the objects, not arrange the things. Okay, my dear students. I hope that you understood or not. Permutation means selection of the objects and again arrange them in particular order, whatever may be. But combination means only selection only, selection of the objects only. Okay. Now, for suppose before what we discussed, the number of permutations of or number of arrangements of n objects taken, n different objects taken R at a time, that is equal NPR. NPR formula, where n always is greater than or equal to or not greater than. What is the formula of NPR? You know very well. NPR by, sorry, n factorial by n minus r factorial. Already explained. NPR contains the r factors. NPR contains the r factors. NP0 means 1, NP1 means n, NP2 means n into n minus 1. Already explained before. NP0 means 1, NP1 permutations of 1, product of 1 means n, NP2 means n into n minus 1, NP2 product of 2, NPR means product of r terms, means r fact, it contains the r factors. Okay, my dear students, the simple way, selection and arrangement. Now we are going to here the number of permutations of n different things taken r at a time is NPR. Now the number of combinations means number of selections. The number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time, that is equal NCR. Difference. C means combination, P means permutation. NCR. The number of selections of n different things taken r at a time. That is equal to NCR. NCR. Okay, my dear students. What is the formula of NCR? NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Now, this set I have, for suppose, how many elements are there? 3 elements. We will select the 2 elements. How many possibilities are there? AB, BC, AC. How many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are, this is subset of this one, subset. These elements belongs to this set. For suppose this is subset means S1, S2, S3. Observe that. Now S1 is subset of S, S2 is subset of S, S3 is subset of S. Okay, my dear students. What is the meaning of that? This is also defined in another way. This is a selection. The number of selections of n different things taken r at a time is NCR formula. No problem at all. Now how to define another way? The number of subsets. The number of r element subsets. The number of r element subset of a set containing n elements. This is also equal to NCR. The number of r element subset of a set containing n elements, that equal to NCR. For suppose you want the 2 element subsets, 2 element set containing the 3 elements. What is that one? 3C2. Okay, my dear students. 3C2. What happened? 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 means 1 factorial into r factorial means 2 factorial. 3 factorial means 6 by 2, that equal 3. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay, my dear students. I hope that understood. What is the formula of NCR? Clear? You listen carefully. The number of selections or combinations of n different things taken r at a time is NCR. That is also defined as the number of r element subsets. The number of r element subset of a set containing the n elements, that is equal to NCR. Now the NCR formula is equal n factorial is equal n minus r factorial by r factorial. Okay. My dear students, have any mistake? Have any doubt? No doubt. What is the formula of NCR equal n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial? How to find this one? Okay, first NCR is equal to, now already before I explained this one, what is the relation between the permutations and combinations? Okay. Now we will discuss about the number of combinations is equal to, okay. Listen carefully, my dear students. Now NCR equal n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. What does this mean? The number of, what is this? The number of combinations means, you know, the number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time is equal to NCR, that equal n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, where n greater than or equal to r, compulsory. N comma r are the positive integers, n comma are the integers, n value 100% positive, r value may be 0, okay, n comma r are positive, okay. NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Simple, my dear students. Simply you listen the logic. For suppose, simply observe that. First, what is the going on means the number of combinations. The number of combinations of the formula is the number of combinations of how many means n different things taken r at a time means the total number of combinations is equal to, for suppose, x. You know that x value 100%. The total number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time is x. Listen carefully. The total number of combinations of n different things, total number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time be x. That x value nothing but the NCR, no problem at all. Okay, x. In every combination, we will select the how many elements? R elements. Those R elements we arrange. In every combination compulsory we will select the R elements. Those R elements we will select, means we will arrange in how many ways? R factorial ways. The total number of combinations of n different things taken R at a time is x. In every selection must and should you select the R elements. Those are in every selection you select the R elements, you arrange them, that is called R factorial. This is selection, this is arrangement. Selection into arrangement is equal to must and should permutation. How many means R elements? This is selection, this is arrangement, is nothing but the permutation. Understood? This is the combination means selection. Again you will select the R elements, those R elements will arrange. Selection into arrangement is equal to the number of permutations of n different things taken R at a time, that is equal to permutation. NPR is equal to number of selections into arrangement of in every stage, x into R factorial. From this one, x is equal to what happened? X is equal to NPR by R factorial. This is the formula. What is the meaning of x? Number of combinations of n different things taken R at a time, that is NCR. NCR equal formula NPR by R factorial. Now we remember this one. NCR is equal to formula NPR by R factorial. Okay, my dear students. NCR is equal to NPR by R factorial. Very simple. Now you know the formula NPR. NPR is equal, what is the formula of NPR? N factorial by n minus R factorial into already R factorial is there. This is the formula. Very simple. Now NPR, we know that don't confuse. NP0 is equal to how much? 1. NP1 is equal to how much? N. NP2 is equal to how much? N into n minus 1. NP3 is equal to how much? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Now what is the value of NC0? 100% NC0 also. NC0 means NP0 by 0 factorial. By using the formula NP0 by 0 factor. NP0 value 1, 0 factor 100% 1. Okay. Now NC0 means 100% 1. The number of selections of no objects means NP0 and NC0 are both are same. NC0 equal 100% 1. Now NC1. NC1 means observe that. NP1 also N, NC1 also N. No problem at all. By using this formula NP1 by 1 factorial. 1 factorial means 1. NP1 means N. NC1 means also N. NC2. What is the formula of NC2? NP2 by R factorial. Means NP2 by 2 factorial. What happened? NP2 means N into N minus 1 by 2. Observe that. NP2 means N into N minus 1. NC2 means N into N minus 1 by 2 factorial means 2. NC3 means 100% product of 3 elements by 3 factorial. Here NCR means product of R factors by R factorial. Product of the R elements R factors by R factorial. Here NC3 means product of 3 factors by 3 factorial. N into from start N, N minus 1, N minus 2 by 3 factorial. Okay, my dear students, simple. NC4 means product of 4 factors by 4 factors starting with n. In this way, n into, what happened this one, my dear students? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 4 factorial. Okay, I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Simple. In the simple way, we will do the problems. What is the difference of NP1? What is the difference of NC1? Both are same. NP2 means n into n minus 1. NC2 means n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial, means 2. NP3 means product of 3. NC3 means product of 3 by 3 factorial. That is the difference between those NPR and NCR. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Now, NCN, what happened, my dear students? We select the all elements. What happened NCN? NCN. NPN means n factorial. Here, product of NPN, we select all and arrange, means n factorial. Here NCN means, observe that, NCN means NPN by n factorial. NPN means n factorial by n factorial, that equal 1. NCN, NC0, that equal magnitude 1, my dear students. Okay, that's why we'll complete the problems. Okay, next observe that, my dear students, another most important one, some properties are there. What are the properties is going on? I hope that you understood or not. NC0 relations, NPR, NCR formula. Okay, now all you understood, I think. Okay, what the relation between NPR and NCR means? Okay, in this way, NCR is equal to NPR by n factorial. This is the formula. NCR is equal to NPR by r factorial. Simply we will go that formula. Okay. Now NCN is equal to 1, no problem at all. NC1 is equal to n, NC2 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial, NC3 is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by 3 factorial, my dear students. Now, for suppose n comma r are positive integers, NCR is equal to NCN minus r. NCR is equal to NCN minus r. Observe that NCR is equal to NCN minus r, subtraction. For suppose in the examination point of view, 13C12 we can find. Very difficult. 13C12 means you write the formula, product of 12 factors by 12 factorial. That is possible, not possible. Here observe that by using this formula 13C12, n value same, not change n value, 13C, but n minus r. This one minus this one, subtraction. 13 minus 12. 13 minus 12 means 1. NC1 means formula n. That equal answer is 13. Okay, my dear students, this is one formula. NCR is equal to NCN minus r. In the examination point of view, 50C48, for suppose 50C48. How to find the 50C48? This is NCR. NCR, that equal formula NCN minus r. 50C, 50 minus 48 means 2. 50 minus 48, that equal to 50C2 means NC2. NC2 means product of 2 factors by 2 factorial. NC2 formula n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. 50 into 50 minus 1, 49 by 2, that equal 25. 25 into 49, multiply, you get the answer. That is the first property, my dear students. I hope that you understood. Okay, how will you get this one? This is right or wrong? How will you get this one? Now take the RHS. What happened, my dear students? RHS is equal to NCN minus r. This is the formula of NCR. What is the formula of NCR means? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. I hope that you understood or not. Yes, same formula n factorial by, this is n factorial by applying the formula n factorial by n minus r, this minus this, n minus n plus r, this is r factorial into r factorial. R means this one. Both these are same or not? Same. This is equal NCR. NCN minus r is equal NCR. In this way, we will complete the problems. I hope that you understood or not? Yes? Yes, my dear students. Okay. Now we are going to next level. First, suppose two combinations are equal. If number of selections of R elements is equal to the number of selections of S elements, NCR equal NCS. What happened? Whenever these two are equal, whenever the two combinations are equal, NCR is equal NCS. Okay, my dear students. Whenever the two combinations are equal, NCR equal NCS, then implies maybe first case these two may be equal, R equal to S. First case may be chance, or N is equal to R plus S. Any one condition must be satisfied. If the two combinations of selection of R elements and S elements are equal, then if and only if these two are equal, maybe R N is equal to R plus S. Perhaps in the examination point of view, if NC6 is equal to NC8, then find N. This is the question. These two, 6 is equal to 8 possible? Not possible. Some cases. Now second one, N is equal to R plus S. R plus S, 6 plus 8. That equal to how much? 14. Now 14C6 is equal to 14C8. Yes or no? 100% by using the formula NCR equal to NCN minus R. 14C6, 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 100% these two are equal. That's why NC6 is equal to NC8. Then N is equal to how much? N is equal to 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay, for suppose in the examination point of view, okay, next we are going to the next property. What the property is going on? If R value less than 1 to N, no problem at all. If N C R, this will be write as C of N comma R, no problem. Okay, this is same, both are. If N C, have to prove that. Okay, prove that NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. We observe that here N value both are same. 100% two combinations, N value same, not different at all. Here R minus 1. These two suffixes must include the consecutive numbers. This is 3 means 2, 3 means 4, whatever may be, big one. Okay. Now we write the answer N plus 1. You add the 1, N plus 1 C, big value write N plus 1 CR. For suppose 6C3 plus 6C4. 6C3 plus 6C4. Yes, apply the formula or not? 6C3 plus 6C4 means the value same. 6 means we will add 1, 7C. 6 plus 1, N plus 1, CR. R value is R minus 1. R value is bigger value. 3R4 means 4. 7C4. 7C4 nothing but the 7C3, no doubt at all. That equals 7C3. 7C3 means 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 factor means 6. 7 5s are 35. In this way, we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Now, how to prove this one? Now, take the LHS of the problem. What the LHS is going on? NCR plus NCR minus 1. Now, just apply the formula. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. I hope that just I wrote here only formula. NCR minus 1 means n factorial by n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1 factorial by applying the formula into r means r minus 1 factorial. This is the bigger one, n minus r plus 1 means next term n minus r factorial. This is r factorial means r into r minus 1 factorial. Okay, hope that understood or not. Now here n factorial by, now n minus r factorial into I will write the r factorial, right, as r into r minus 1 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 factorial. R factorial means r into r minus 1 factorial. Okay, here r minus 1 is there and that's why I am writing here. Plus n factorial by n minus r plus 1 next term, before term, n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Okay, my dear students, into r minus 1 factorial. I hope that you understood or not. Splitting this one. Now taking the common. Here n factorial by n minus r factorial, r minus 1 factorial. Here n factorial by n minus r factorial, r minus 1 factorial. Taken common out. I hope that. Okay. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Okay. Okay, my dear students. What are the remaining terms? Here 1 by r plus here 1 by n minus r plus 1. Now, what is the LCM of the bracket? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. What the LCM is? R into n minus r plus 1. Now, n minus r plus 1 plus r. Now, minus r plus r cancel. What is the numerator remaining? N plus 1. Okay, my dear students. Now, n factorial by n factorial into n plus 1 by here n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial into r into n minus r plus 1. Same. Okay. How to write this one? N factorial into n plus 1. N plus 1 into n factorial. It write as n plus 1 factorial. Bigger value first. These are consecutive. Now write the no problem at all. N plus 1 factorial. This is n minus r factorial. This is n minus r plus 1. This is bigger. This is smaller. These are consecutive. Now n minus r plus 1 factorial. These two write as. Here r minus 1. Now write as r factorial. N plus 1 factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r factorial. Now here n plus 1 CR. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial. N plus 1 factorial by n minus r. N plus 1 minus r factorial into r factorial. This is same. That is equal n plus 1 CR. What is the formula of this one? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Very simple, my dear students. This is the very important formula. What is the formula is going on? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Okay, this is one of the formula. Next one is NCR by NCR minus 1. For suppose this is equal to NCR by NCR minus 1, that is equal to the formula is n minus r plus 1 by r. This is the formula. You remember this one? Same, we will do in this way, we will get the answer. Okay, I hope that you understood or not. Yes, this is the introduction part of the combinations. Next class, we will discuss about some more properties in the combinations. Okay, my dear students. Thank you, one and all.